Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 1.2 from the chapter sets. Okay, today we will continue our discussion on the solution of question number 4, 5 and 6 from this exercise 1.2. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 4. Question number 4 is in the following state whether A equal to B or not. So we will start with the first one. First one is A is a set containing A, B, C, D and B is another set containing D, C, B, A. You have to justify that these A and B sets are equal or not. First of all, as you can see, in this set there are 4 elements A, B, C and D. Similarly, in this set there is 4 elements, okay, D, C, B, A. So after checking the number of elements, if they are same, then we will check the elements in these two sets are equal or not. Okay, A contains, this capital A set contains A, small a. Capital B also contains small a. First set contains B, second set also contains B. This one contains C, this one also contains C. This one contains D, this one also contains D. So as you can see, this A and B set having same number of element and the number and the elements are also same. Okay, the elements are also same, their order in the set are different. Means here A is the last element, here A is the here A is the first element and here A is the fourth element. So their order is different but the elements are same. That's why for the first part A is equal to B set. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the solution of the second question. Question is A is a set containing 4, 8, 12 and 16. B is a set containing 8, 4, 16 and 18. Again as similar, we will compare the number of elements for both the sets. First of all, A contains 4 elements, B also contains 4 elements. But if you look at the element, 4 is here, 4 is here also. 8 is in the first set and second set also. But if you check 12, 12 is in A set but 12 does not belongs to B set, right? Similarly, 18 belongs to B set but 18 does not belongs to A set. So for this case, as you can see, A and B both contain same number of elements but these 4 elements are not equal to each other. 12 is in A but it is not in B. Again 18 is in B but it is not in A. That's why in this case A set will be not equal to B set. Okay, so if you check the reasons, look at here, we can see that 12 belongs to A but 12 does not belongs to B. That's why A is not equal to B. That means to justify your answer, what are the two properties? First of all, you have to check the number of elements are same or not. If they are same, then you will check the elements are same or not. Okay, the not corresponding, the elements are same or not. The order can be different, the order of elements in the set can be different, but the element have to be equal. Elements have to be equal. Now the third one, A is the collection of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is the collection of all those x where x is a positive even integer less or equal to 10. So if you transform this set B in roster form, then B contains all the positive even integers which is less or equal to 10. So the positive integers which is less or equal to 10 contains they will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now look at this roster form and this set A. As you can see, both of the sets are same. That's why in this case, in case number 3 and part number 3, A will be equal to B. So let's check the reason. Okay, this is A set, this is B set. If you change B in roster form, it will be equal to A. So A set is equal to B set. Now the fourth one is A is equal to X, where X is the multiple of 10, and B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. As you can see, these both sets are infinite set. There can be infinitely many elements. Now how can you check they are equal or not? Okay, if you take this element 10, 10 is divisible by 10, or you can say that 10 is the multiple of 10, right? That means this 10 will belongs to here. Okay, but if you take the next element 15, okay, 15 belongs to the set B, right? 15 belongs to set B, but 15 is not a multiplier of 10, right? 15 is not a multiplier, okay, or multiple of 10. That's why 15 does not belongs to A. That means you can see that 15 belongs to B, but 15 does not belongs to A. That means the collection of elements are different for these two sets. That's why for fourth one, A not equal to B. Similarly, 25 is not a multiple of 10. 35 is not a multiple of 10. That's why here A and B set will be different set. This one is the reason. 15 belongs to B, but 15 not belongs to A. That's why A not equal to B. In this way, you have to check two sets are equal or not. Now question number 5. Are the following pair of sets are equal? Give reasons. In the first part, A set is given as 2, 3 and B set is given as collection of the solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. That means again you have to transform this set B in roster form. Set B contains the solution of this quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So you will find the solution of this quadratic equation. Look at here. Take this quadratic equation, do the middle term factorization. If you do the middle term factorization, your solution will be x equal to minus 2 and minus 3. That means B set will be equal with minus 2 and minus 3, the collection of minus 2 and minus 3. Now A set was given as the collection of 2 and 3. B set is the collection of minus 2 and minus 3. The number of elements are same, but as you can see, elements are different. Okay, in the first set it contains positive 2, positive 3. It contains negative 2, negative 3. That's why A is not equal to B. Okay, now next one is A is the collection of the letters in the word follow. Okay, and B is the collection of letters in the word wolf. Okay, so if you change set A in roster form, A is the collection of letters from the word follow. Okay, so the collection will be F, O, L. From this to L will repeat once in this letter. Okay, we will take one L as the element of A, because in a set you cannot repeat the same element. That's why from this to L I will take only one L as an element of set A. Okay, clear? Now again for O is already here in the set, so we will not repeat it again in the set. And the last one is W. Okay, so if you change A set in roster form, this will be the representation. Similarly for B is the collection of the letters in the word wolf. So here it will be W, O, L, F. All the letters are distinct. Okay. So now check set A and set B. Both contains 4 element, and look at here. W is here and here. L is here and here. O is here and here. F is here and here. Okay, that means the number of elements are same and the elements are also same to each other. That's why here A will be equal to B set. Okay, the reasons are given here. The order in which the elements of the sets are listed is not significant. Okay, order can be different but the elements are same. That's why A is equal to B. Now question number 6. From the set given below, select equal sets. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 sets are given. You have to check which are equal set and which of them are unequal set. So let's check the solution. As you can see, all the 8 sets are given. Okay. So first of all, I'll take a element 8. Okay, I'll take the element 8 from A set. As you can see, 8 is not belongs to B. 8 does not belongs to set D. 8 does not belongs to set E. 8 does not belongs to set F. Does not belongs to G. Okay, this one will be H, and does not belongs to H. Okay, so as you can see, 8 belongs to A, but it does not belongs to B, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, that means except C set, it does not, 8 does not belongs to except C and A, it does not belongs to any other set. That's why A is not equal to B, A is not equal to D, A is not equal to E, A is not equal to F, A is not equal to J, A is not equal to H. Okay, that is A is not equal to remaining 6 sets. Okay, now we will check the equality of set A and set C. As you can see, both of them contains 4 elements, but if you look at this A and C sets carefully, as you can see, 14 belongs to set C, but 14 does not belongs to set A. Okay, similarly you can say 2 belongs to A, this 2 belongs to A, but 2 does not belongs to C, right? So that's why A is not equal to C also. Okay, so A is not equal to any one of them. Similarly, you have to check for B set and the B and the rest of the set. Okay, from the previous slide you can already conclude that B is not equal to A, right? Now take one element 3 from set B. Now 3 does not belongs to C, 3 does not belongs to E, 3 does not belongs to F, 3 does not belongs to G, 3 does not belongs to H. Okay, now only the remaining is 3 and only remaining set which contains 3 is B and D. Okay, they are B and D. So now we'll check the equality of B and D. Both of them contains 4 elements, and as you can see, 1 belongs to both of them, 2 belongs to both of them, 3 belongs to both of them, 4 belongs to both of them. That means you can conclude that B is equal to D set. Okay, so as you can see, the all explanations are given here. C, B is not equal to C, B is not equal to E, B is not equal to F, B is not equal to G, B is not equal to H. Here B is equal to D. Okay, similarly we will check for the next one. For if you take C set, okay, from the previous slide you can say that C is not equal to A, then you can say that C is not equal to B. Now only remaining you have to check is C is equal to D or not. Why? Because C contains 4 elements and these elements contain 2 elements. So you obviously can say that C is not equal to E, F, G and H, right? Now if you check C and D, obviously 4 belongs to C, 4 belongs to both of them, 8 belongs to C, 8 belongs to C, but 8 does not belongs to D. So C not equal to D. Okay, so among of this A, B, C, D, only B is equal to D. Okay, now if you take this element E, E contains 2 elements. So E is not equal to A, B, C and D because they contains 4 elements, right? So now I have to check E with F, G and H. Okay, as you can see, this E and this G is same, both of them contains 1 and minus 1, so you can say that E is equal to G. Okay, now if you check the remaining sets which contains 2 element, okay, this one are different. F contains 0 A, but H contain, this one is H contains 0 1, so F is not equal to H. Okay, F is not equal to H. Similarly, F is not equal to G. Why? Because F contains 0, G does not contain 0, so F not equal to Z. Okay, similarly F is not equal to E. So you are getting that only E is equal to G. So we can conclude that among of this 8 set, only B is equal to D and E is equal to G. In this way you have to solve this question. This is all for today. This was the last question from exercise 1.2. This is all for today. Thank you.